Safe solutions to minimize color distortion in arc flash face shields include using face shields with a minimal tint. The Oberon arc flash face shield is designed to minimize color distortion with its light green tint. Consider using face shields with a clearer or yellowish tint, which may provide better color accuracy. Also, employ indirect lighting. Avoid direct lighting behind the face shield, as this can accentuate color distortion. Use indirect lighting around the workspace to improve visibility and reduce eye strain. Thirdly, take breaks and perform tasks without the shield. Schedule regular breaks to give your eyes a rest from the tinted shield. For tasks that do not require arc flash protection, such as coil winding or small component handling, remove the shield to enhance color accuracy. Fourthly, use magnifying devices. If precise color matching is crucial, consider using magnifying glasses or other optical aids. These devices can help you see details better without having to lift the shield. Fifthly, adjust shield position. Experiment with different shield positions to find the optimal angle for both visibility and protection. Tilt the shield slightly downward or sideways to minimize color distortion in specific areas. Sixthly, use spotlights or laser pointers. For tasks that require precise color identification, consider using spotlights or laser pointers. These devices can highlight specific areas without affecting the overall lighting conditions. Seventhly, utilize camera systems. Install cameras in the workspace that can provide a clear, undistorted view of the area. Use monitors to display the camera feed, allowing electricians to see accurately without lifting the shield. Eighthly, provide training and education. Provide comprehensive training on the limitations and safe use of arc flash face shields. Emphasize the importance of using indirect lighting and taking breaks to minimize color distortion. Arc flash incidents pose significant hazards, including severe burns, blindness, and even fatalities. Electrical safety standards, such as those outlined by the National Fire Protection Association, or NFPA 70E, and the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, or IEE 1584, provide guidelines and requirements for protecting workers from arc flash hazards. These standards mandate the use of appropriate personal protective equipment, or PPE, including arc flash face shields, to mitigate the risks associated with arc flash events. Arc flash face shields are designed to protect the face and eyes from the intense heat flames and projectiles generated during an arc flash. These shields are typically made of polycarbonate or other impact-resistant materials and are rated to withstand specific levels of arc flash energy, measured in calories per square centimeter. The level of protection required depends on the potential arc flash hazard present in the work environment. One common challenge associated with arc flash face shields is color distortion caused by the tinting of the shield material. Many arc flash face shields are tinted to reduce glare and improve visibility in bright environments. However, this tinting can alter the perception of colors, making it difficult for electricians to accurately identify and differentiate between wires, components, and other objects. This color distortion can increase the risk of wiring mistakes and other errors, potentially leading to hazardous situations. To address the issue of color distortion, manufacturers offer arc flash face shields with various tint options. Some shields feature a light green tint, which is designed to minimize color distortion while still providing adequate glare reduction. Other shields are available with a clear or yellowish tint, which may offer better color accuracy but may not provide as much glare protection. The choice of tint depends on the specific work environment and the preferences of the electrician. In addition to selecting the appropriate face shield tint, several other strategies can help minimize color distortion and improve visibility. Indirect lighting is one effective technique. By using indirect lighting, the electrician can reduce glare and shadows, making it easier to see colors accurately. This can be achieved by positioning light sources behind or to the side of the work area, rather than directly in front of the face shield. Taking regular breaks is another important practice. Spending extended periods wearing a tinted face shield can cause eye strain and fatigue, which can exacerbate color distortion. By taking short breaks to rest the eyes, electricians can maintain better color perception and reduce the risk of errors. For tasks that do not require arc flash protection, such as coil winding or small component handling, it may be possible to remove the face shield altogether. This allows the electrician to see colors without any distortion, improving accuracy and efficiency. However, it is crucial to ensure that arc flash hazards are not present before removing the shield. Magnifying devices can also be helpful. If precise color matching is essential, electricians can use magnifying glasses or other optical aids to enhance their vision. These devices can help to see details more clearly without having to lift the face shield, reducing the risk of exposure to arc flash hazards. Adjusting the position of the face shield can also make a difference. By experimenting with different shield positions, electricians can find the optimal angle for both visibility and protection. Tilting the shield slightly downward or sideways may help to minimize color distortion in specific areas. Spotlights or laser pointers can be used to highlight specific areas without affecting overall lighting conditions, aiding in precise color identification. Installing cameras in the workspace can provide a clear, undistorted view of the area. Electricians can use monitors to display the camera feed, allowing them to see accurately without lifting the shield. Proper training and education are essential for ensuring the safe and effective use of arc flash face shields. Electricians should receive comprehensive training on the limitations of face shields, including the potential for color distortion. They should also be trained on the importance of using indirect lighting, taking breaks, and using other strategies to minimize color distortion. Furthermore, it is important to regularly inspect arc flash face shields for damage or wear. Scratches, cracks, and other defects can impair the shield's ability to provide adequate protection. Damaged shields should be replaced immediately. By implementing these strategies, electricians can minimize color distortion and improve visibility when using arc flash face shields, reducing the risk of wiring mistakes and other errors. This, in turn, can help to create a safer work environment and prevent arc flash incidents. In addition to the strategies mentioned above, there are several other factors to consider when selecting and using arc flash face shields. One important factor is the arc rating of the shield. The arc rating indicates the level of arc flash energy that the shield can withstand. It is crucial to select a shield with an arc rating that is appropriate for the potential hazards present in the work environment. The NFPA 70E standard provides guidance on selecting the appropriate arc rating for different tasks and equipment. Another factor to consider is the fit and comfort of the face shield. A shield that is too loose or too tight can be uncomfortable to wear and may not provide adequate protection. It is important to select a shield that fits properly and allows for unrestricted movement. Some shields are adjustable, allowing for a customized fit. The weight of the face shield is also a consideration. A heavy shield can cause fatigue and discomfort, especially when worn for extended periods. Lighter shields are available, but they may not provide the same level of protection as heavier shields. The choice of shield depends on the specific needs and preferences of the electrician. Ventilation is another important feature to look for in an arc flash face shield. Adequate ventilation can help to prevent fogging and improve comfort. Some shields have built-in ventilation systems, while others rely on passive ventilation. The choice of ventilation system depends on the work environment and the level of physical activity involved. The compatibility of the face shield with other personal protective equipment, or PPE, is also an important consideration. This shield should be compatible with other PPE such as hard hats, safety glasses, and hearing protection. It is important to ensure that the shield does not interfere with the proper functioning of other PPE. The durability of the face shield is another factor to consider. A durable shield will last longer and provide better protection over time. Look for shields that are made of high-quality materials and are designed to withstand the rigors of the work environment. The ease of cleaning is also a consideration. Arc flash face shields can become dirty and scratched over time. It is important to select a shield that is easy to clean and maintain. Some shields have a scratch-resistant coating that helps to protect the surface from damage. The cost of the face shield is also a factor to consider. Arc flash face shields can range in price from a few dollars to several $100s. It is important to balance cost with quality and protection. The choice of shield depends on the budget and the specific needs of the electrician. The availability of replacement parts is also a consideration. Over time, certain parts of the face shield may need to be replaced, such as the lens or the headband. It is important to select a shield for which replacement parts are readily available. The reputation of the manufacturer is also a factor to consider. Choose a manufacturer that has a good reputation for producing high-quality arc flash face shields. Read reviews and compare different brands before making a purchase. The warranty offered by the manufacturer is also a consideration. A good warranty will protect against defects in materials and workmanship. Be sure to read the warranty carefully before purchasing a face shield. By considering these factors, electricians can select an arc flash face shield that provides adequate protection, minimizes color distortion, and is comfortable to wear. This will help to create a safer work environment and prevent arc flash incidents. In addition to the above, it is also important to emphasize the importance of proper training and education for all electricians who work with electrical equipment. Training should cover the following topics: arc flash hazards, arc flash safety procedures, proper use of personal protective equipment, and emergency response procedures. The electrician should be trained on how to identify arc flash hazards and how to assess the risk of an arc flash incident. They should also be trained on the proper procedures for working safely around electrical equipment, including the use of lockout-tagout procedures. Lockout-tagout procedures are designed to prevent accidental energization of electrical equipment while it is being worked on. These procedures involve disconnecting the equipment from its power source and placing a lock and tag on the disconnect switch. The lock and tag prevent anyone from accidentally turning on the equipment while it is being worked on. Electricians should be trained on the proper use of personal protective equipment, including arc flash face shields, arc flash suits, gloves, and footwear. They should also be trained on how to inspect PPE for damage and how to properly maintain it. Electricians should be trained on emergency response procedures in the event of an arc flash incident. This includes knowing how to administer first aid to victims of arc flash burns and how to evacuate the area safely. Regular refresher training is essential to ensure that electricians stay up to date on the latest safety procedures and best practices. Training should be conducted at least annually and more frequently if there are changes in the work environment or in the electrical equipment being used. By providing proper training and education, employers can help to ensure that their electricians are safe and protected from arc flash hazards. This will not only reduce the risk of arc flash incidents but also improve employee morale and productivity. In conclusion, arc flash face shields are an essential piece of personal protective equipment for electricians who work with electrical equipment. By selecting the appropriate face shield, using proper work practices, and providing adequate training and education, employers can help to create a safer work environment and prevent arc flash incidents. Remember that safety is always the top priority.